Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Ensure your Ps5 is connected to the internet via Ethernet or 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Verify your PlayStation Network sign-in before starting the system update. Check available storage and free roughly 500 MB to 5 GB before updating the console. Backup saved data to cloud or to external USB storage before you begin the process. If you use rest mode, disable it temporarily in settings to avoid interruptions. Have a stable power source to prevent corruption during the firmware install. Enable automatic updates in settings to download updates overnight automatically for convenience. Navigate to Settings, then System Software to access automatic update options. Select System Software Update to check for updates manually on demand when you want immediate control. If you cannot update online, prepare a USB drive formatted to FAT32 and create a Ps5 folder named Update. Place the update file named Ps5 Update, PUP inside, and connect the USB to install using safe mode. After the update downloads, follow on screen prompts to install the system software update. The Ps5 will restart several times and display progress bars during the installation phase. Restart the Ps5 after installation to apply the firmware and to rebuild basic system files if needed. If installation fails, boot into safe mode and choose Update System Software or Rebuild Database as a fallback. Verify the system version in Settings under System, then System Software, then Console information to confirm success.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.